Hi, my name is Benjamin. You are watching Benicarus Trades. Welcome to my show. So this is the financials market wrap-up for December the 8th of 2023. It's Friday, so the last day of the trading week. Today the markets were up quite a bit, and this is most likely due to this catalyst, which kind of ignored another catalyst, which I'll go into just in a second. So inflation expectations plunge in closely watched University of Michigan survey. The people who were asked, they feel like inflation is coming down quite a bit, which they especially feel at the gas station. All right, why not? Sounds like some good thing for the economy. However, before that, we actually had some other interesting news, which is the non-farm payrolls, and actually we had a decrease in the unemployment rate. They were expecting 3.9% and it went down to 3.7%. That was a catalyst that is most likely a negative catalyst because it forces the Fed to be a little bit more tight. Let's check out some more of today's economic data. Here we have it on CNBC. Breaking news: S&P 500 notches new high for 2023. Well, it is a good time to be in the markets. I am not that much in the market right now. I could envision it being a little bit of a trap, not that much of a perma bear, but it feels like the market makers really want people to be invested heavily before they decide to make it go down again. All right, why not? Anyway, so we do have the following sectors performing really well: energy, technology, financial, industrials. On the other side, we have consumer defensives pulling back, as well as communication services. On the future side, we do have gasoline, crude oil, feeder cattle, crude oil, cocoa, live cattle, sugar, and so on, going up quite a bit, while the VIX was going down even more. Palladium, silver, soybean, wheat, natural gas, all coming down. On an individual stock basis, we do see that semiconductors did really well here. Nvidia and Broadcom, of course, leading the way today. Technology going up as well, while consumer defensive coming down, and also Google being a little bit in the red after yesterday's rally. The markets didn't care, as I said. We will check out the SPY first, I guess. So you can see here it went down for just a moment, basically, just to go up and ignore the unemployment rate. It came back down again, but when the survey came out, it went just up for the last few hours. Same thing applies to the QQQ, the IWM, and the Dow Jones. They all basically trade the same way today. Let's check out the Dow Jones, for instance. They all have a very similar pattern. Basically, what did go down was the 20-year Treasury bonds, TLT. They used the negative catalyst of the unemployment rate to pull back a little bit. To me, it feels like that the money was pulled out of TLT and put into stocks. So let's check out some of the stocks that we were also discussing yesterday, which one of them is XOM, an energy stock that I was talking about yesterday. I felt like it is about to be on the move back up, and we can also see that CL rose above the $70 mark to $71.20 actually. So oil going up, and of course the oil stocks also went up nicely today. That would have been a really nice trade, but I wasn't in there. Broadcom reported mixed earnings yesterday. Let's check out the news. Trading higher after the company reported mixed fourth quarter results and issued a fiscal year 24 revenue guidance above estimates. Well, now here we go. People liked that, obviously, so the stock went up even more after all this rallying of the last few weeks. And the markets thought, okay, let's go up even more. And the same thing applies to AMD, which had a nice interesting catalyst this week, and it doesn't stop. Oracle was one of those symbols we were discussing yesterday as well. That would have been a really nice trade. It came down and then went up, but I didn't get filled. I guess my price was too low. Meta is another one that I am watching at the moment because it has this really nice upwards momentum. And of course it didn't disappoint today. However, I wasn't in the trade. Some of the German stocks also rallying nicely today. BMW more than 2.7% to the upside. Porsche as well to the upside. Let's get to another ticker that we have watched yesterday, which is Southwest Airlines. Went down a little bit, and I like that because I'm looking into getting a position in this symbol soon. So I am also watching some of the commodities, which are especially sugar and orange juice. Both of them were up today, and especially sugar went up a little bit. It is kind of like it seems to be consolidating down there at the price level of 23.40. Orange juice also went up slightly, so I believe this could be a really nice trade as well, because it is forming higher highs and higher lows. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. That would help me out a lot. I am also doing a challenge right now with the Trading Pit. Please use my link in the description if you check them out and decide to open an account with them. I am also a big fan of Tradesviz, a journaling software that I use to track my trades. Also, affiliate link in the description. And last but not least, Interactive Brokers, which is my daily driver in terms of trading and investing. All right, that's it for the day. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend.